India is at the brink of a monumental tax overhaul that could have intended to address the ever-widening gap between the nation's rich and poor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's widely expressed Common Prosperity Program hopes to help break this cycle by making significant changes to direct taxes which could potentially impact many people's lives. India's high reliance on indirect taxes, like those on consumers rather than direct taxes on capital, has been seen as one of the main factors that have left the poor in the country behind, even as the majority of the population maintains a fairly comfortable lifestyle. Modi's goal is to restore equilibrium to the Indian population by following through on a proposal, first proposed in 2009, to overhaul the 6-decade-old income tax law. The main change proposed by this law is increasing the capital gains taxes for top income earners. This would replace the current system where taxes on certain asset classes, such as equity funds and stocks, are charged at a lower rate, going against the principle of equity. Furthermore, the new legislation aims to simplify India's taxation system, creating a simpler law to draw in companies from around the globe, especially those that may be looking to shift their operations out of China. The government is still trying to address other issues, such as standardizing the tax rates on capital gains. The recent budget proposal seeks to do this partially by taxing debt funds at the income tax rate. If the proposed overhaul comes to fruition in 2024, not only will it burnish India's credentials as an attractive investment destination, but it may also potentially help numerous people across the nation climb out of their financial worries. Public figures across the world such as China's President Xi Jinping, as well as US President Joe Biden, have looked into ways of reducing the income gap, but Modi's direct tax overhaul could be seen as the biggest attempt yet to address the gap between the wealthiest and the rest. All of India is awaiting the results of the potential proposed reforms and hoping that they will have the opportunities to benefit from the changes the Prime Minister has promised to make.